Hello everyone, welcome to Nia's Art Club. This is Halloween special art video. I'll draw a simple horror haunted mansion. The theme is based on Halloween. So let's start the video. I'm drawing this mansion with 2B pencil. You can use ruler to draw lines. Now I'm inking it with marker pen. I'm using watercolor here. If you want, you can use pastels or colored pencils. It's completely up to you. Now I'm making shadow of the mansion. It'll give the drawing more 3D effect. Firstly, I'm doing the base with 2B pencil. For darker shades I'm using 10B pencil here. The drawing is complete now. If you like this short tutorial video, please let me know in the comments section, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end.